Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty in Master Degree in Business Administration MBA of Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. Today, I have just taken an assignment of the current year in research methodology, the course MMPC-015. And normally, the assignments can be of any number of words, but as far as the term and examination is concerned, you need to answer around 600 words in 35 minutes, since the time for the term and examination is fixed as 180 minutes to answer 5 questions, and each 5 question would require around 35 to 40 minutes. And that being there, you need to conform to the maximum words of 630 words, so that you should be able to answer around 500 to 600 words to fetch good marks and score your marks in distinction. I have just taken one of the questions from the current assignment, and I am just giving you the answer. The question: what is research? Discuss the various types of research with suitable examples. And what is research? And then I have just taken for myself as to what is research, definitions, methods, and types and examples, since they have asked for that. So what is research? Research is a careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or problem using scientific methods. Research is a systematic inquiry into describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomena. It involves inductive and deductive methods. Research is conducted with a purpose to identify potential and new customers, to understand the existing customers, to set pragmatic goals, to develop productive market strategies, to address business challenges, to put together a business expansion plan, to identify new business opportunities. What are the characteristics of research? Researchers need to practice ethics and a code of conduct while making observations or drawing conclusions. The analysis is based on logical reasoning and involves both inductive and deductive methods. Real-time data and knowledge is derived from actual observations in natural settings. There is an analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with it. It creates a path for generating new questions. Existing data helps create more research opportunities. It is there is no ambiguity in inference. Accuracy is one of the most critical aspects of research. For example, laboratories provide a controlled environment to collect data. Accuracy is measured in the instruments used, the calibrations of instruments or tools, and their experiments of final result. There are 3 main purposes of research. Those purposes are Exploratory means researchers conduct exploratory studies to explore a group of questions. It lays the foundation for more conclusive data collection and analysis. Descriptive. It focuses on expanding knowledge on current issues through a process of data collection. Descriptive research describes the behavior of a sample population. Only one variable is required to conduct this study. It describes, explains, and validates the findings. For example, a study conducted to know if top-level management leaders in the 21st century possess the moral right to receive a considerable sum of money from the company profit. Then the third one is explanatory. Causal or explanatory research is conducted to understand the impact of specific changes in existing standard procedures. Running experiments is the most popular form. For example, a study that is conducted to understand the effect of rebranding on customer loyalty. Now, we will go to types of research methods and examples. Research methods are broadly classified as qualitative and quantitative methods having distinctive properties and data collection methods. Qualitative methods. Qualitative research is a method that collects data using conversational methods, usually open-ended questions. The responses collected are essentially non-numerical. This method helps a researcher understand what participants think and why they think in a particular way. Types of qualitative methods include one-to-one interview, focus groups, ethnographic studies, text analysis, and case study. The quantitative methods. The quantitative methods deal with numbers and measurable forms. It uses a systematic way of investigating events or data. It answers questions to justify relationship with measurable variables to explain, predict, or control a phenomena. Types of quantitative methods include survey research, descriptive research, and correlational research. Remember, it is only valuable and useful when it is valid, accurate, and reliable. Incorrect results can lead to customer churn and a decrease in sales. It is essential to ensure that your data is valid, founded, logical, rigorous, and impartial, and your data is accurate, free of errors, and including required details, and it should be reliable. Other people who investigate in the same way can produce similar results, and it should be timely, current, and collected within an appropriate time frame, and it should be complete, includes all the data you need to support your business decision. And here I have been able to compile the answer within 630 words, and the students could perhaps go through this time and again, make themselves recall at least 500 to 550 words and answer them in the ensuing exams. Thank you. All the best.